Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create issue from the projects form. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev Project Task Issue. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to anyone like office design and see here this button create issue, click on. Now add your issue, not perfect design. Select your issue type, pick a new feature and save. Again make these projects. Now see here issue 1 is created and also display here one issue. Now go to this menu issue and here display your created issue. Project is office design, task room to decoration and customer name. Thank you.